Hello, this is Seth for Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2016 Jeep Renegade Trailhawk. Under the hood we have a 2.4 liter i4 multi-air engine and an 8-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in black and it looks really nice with the red Trailhawk accents on it. You do have the Jeep logo there, and you do have those red tow hooks up front. They look great. You do have halogen headlights there, and you do have your fog lights just down there. They're very bright. Now coming around the side, we do have 17-inch rims here with Vulcan brand tires. Still tons of tread left on them, and those rims look really nice. You do got the red accented Renegade logo there, and power heated mirrors right there. Now coming around the back here, we do have that Trailhawk logo, Jeep and 4x4 logo with another tow hook right there. And to open it up, all you gotta do is press this button right here. Opens up just like that. Lots of room back here to store stuff. You do have a bit of extra storage here with the little mesh thing. This vehicle does come with Beats audio systems as well. It makes it sound really nice. You got some speakers back here. You can open this up and you do have your spare tire right there, and you can fold those seats forward as well. Okay, we got our keys here. We got 2 press to unlock, 1 press to lock, and we do got 2 presses to activate that remote start. Remote start is especially nice in the winter. Get it nice and warm for you. You won't have to go outside in your pajamas. And then as well, it does come with proximity keyless entry, so if the door is locked, all you gotta do is put your hand in there and it will unlock for you. Plus you have the button there if you did want to use that as well. Now on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all here. That silver accenting here with the handle, and it is leather, so it is very comfortable. You do also have this red accenting here. It looks very nice. And you got a little bit of additional storage here. Leather interior as well, very comfortable. You got your Trailhawk logo right there. And then down here we do have the controls over the electric seat, so backward and forward, as well as the tilt and the lumbar support. And then right over here we do have our controls over our lights. So we have our off, our on, our daytime running lights, and our auto, as well as our in-cabin light control right there. And this guy's our turning signals and also control over our high beams. And then right here we do have a channel changer. So up and down to change channel. We do have an identical one on the other side for volume. On the inside now, so all you gotta do is put your foot on the brake and press the button, and it starts right up for us. Now in the center here, you do have your speedometer and your odometer, as well as you have your fuel gauge and your engine temperature. Now as well, you can change that guy in the middle from your kilometers to your vehicle info. You get your fuel economy, trip, you have your audio, messages, screen setup, settings, back to your speedometer. Now it only has 23,000 kilometers. That is not very many at all. That is controlled from your steering wheel here, as well as you have your Bluetooth controls here, your horn, and you also have your cruise control options right here. And right there is the controls over our windshield wipers, front and back. Now we do have a 6.5-inch touchscreen display here, and it does come with AM, FM, and Sirius XM, as well as Uconnect, all very handy to have. You do have your radio here, you have your media options. If you have one hooked up, so your sources, you got a whole bunch of different ones. You do have USBs, aux cord, and Bluetooth. You have navigation here, so you can hit the view map. You can see that we are on Rec Place, of course. We have our phone options here, if you have one hooked up through Bluetooth, and your apps that you can access as well. This one's a channel changer as well as the browser, and you got the on and off. You can mute it. You have the screen off. This guy over here is your options and your back button. And then right down here we do have the controls over our heated seat and heated steering wheel, as well as your passenger. You have your hazard lights, and then you have your climate control up and down. And it is a dual climate, so you and your passenger can have different levels of hot or cold. You have your AC and your circulation. You have your defrost here, as well as your rear defrost on the other side. Power up and down, where it's going to blow out of, and your power. And then you also have the same for the other side. And then right down here we do have this guy here, which does change it to 4-wheel lock and 4-wheel low, as well as we can change it to snow mode, sand mode, mud, or rock, and those do help you drive in those different situations a little bit better. You also have your USB, your aux cord, and a 12-volt plug-in right there. And then we also have this guy, which is our gear shift, and when you are in reverse, you do have that ever-useful backup camera. Keeps you nice and safe. You do also have an electronic parking brake right here, and your traction control options, and your cup holders right there. Now in the center, we do have our armrest with the red stitching. Looks very nice. You have a USB plug-in in there and lots of storage. And then right over here, we do have a locking glove box with tons of storage and our owner's manual inside of it. And then right up top here, we do have the controls over our sunroof, and we also have our light control there. So for the sunroof, just press the button and it opens up just like that, letting in lots and lots of light. Okay, let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. Now you have that same silver accenting on the handle here. You got another one here, and you do have your window control here, that same red accenting, and a water bottle holder. It is leather back here as well. Very comfortable. Tons of leg room as well. You also have your plug-in right there, and you can fold this down just like this, and you do have some cup holders and an armrest. And then, as I said, you can fold this whole thing down just like this, and then you got even more room to put stuff in the back. And there's our 2.4 liter multi-air engine. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2016 Jeep Renegade Trailhawk. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.